Salvete omnes. It's me, Mr. Marsh, and today we're going to be going over the Stage 1 model sentences. As I read the sentences, take your knowledge of the Stage 1 vocabulary checklist that we went over yesterday and the pictures and see if you can figure out what's going on in the sentences. Number 1. Caecilius est pater. Caecilius est pater. Number 2. Metella est mater. Metella est mater. Number 3. Quintus est filius. Quintus est filius. Number 4. Lucia est filia. Lucia est filia. Number 5. Clemens est servus. Clemens est servus. Number 6. Grumio est coccus. Grumio est coccus. Number 7. Cerberus est canis. Cerberus est canis. All right, so we're going to switch the page over and go over to page 4 in your textbook. Number 8. Caecilius est in tablino. Caecilius est in tablino. Number 9. Metella est in atrio. Metella est in atrio. Number 10. Quintus est in triclinio. Quintus est in triclinio. Number 11. Lucia est in horto. Lucia est in horto. Number 12. Clemens est in cubiculo. Clemens est in cubiculo. Number 13. Grumio est in culina. Grumio est in culina. Number 14. Cerberus est in via. Cerberus est in via. Number 15. Switch. We'll move this on over. Now we're on page 5. We're going to do 2 sentences for each one now. I'm just going to read them through one time. Pater est in tablino. Pater in tablino scribit. Number 16. Metella est in atrio. Mater in atrio sedet. Number 17. Filius est in triclinio. Filius in triclinio bibit. Number 18. Filia est in horto. Filia in horto legit. Number 19. Servus est in cubiculo. Servus in cubiculo laborat. Number 20. Coccus est in culina. Coccus in culina laborat. And number 21. Canis est in via. Canis in via dormit. Fantastic. So go through all these in your textbook and see if you can figure out what these sentences mean. I'll bet you know a lot more than you think you do. One of the things I really want you to watch out for, make sure once you're done that you read the sentence in English out loud and make sure it sounds like a proper English sentence. A little bit later on, we'll be talking about some of the differences in word order and in how the word the and a work in Latin and in English. Have a great one.